My name is Ralph Kindred. I'm a Senior Solutions Architect with GreenPages. I work specifically in the telecommunications, unified communications, and collaboration space. It encompasses a lot of things. It starts with a basic telephone system, works through a collaboration platform, and includes video conferencing. Telecommunications as it stands for the last 10 or 15 years is a pretty stagnant product set. It delivered communications, calls in, calls out. Really the only thing that changed in the platform was the endpoint itself, basically the telephone set, the handset. About 5 or 6 years ago, the platform started to change a little bit and added in some additional features. Things that people today expect in every phone system, like, as an example, unified messaging, my voicemail copied into my email so I can check one platform and get both types of messages. That becomes pretty common in the industry. A few years after that, we started into an advent in the platform called unified communications, which is still in development today. More and more feature sets are being added in. A lot of the things that would sort of tie into unified communications are things like click and drag dialing. I could have people in my contact list go into my contact list, click on that individual and call them. I can also have people send me an email with an auto signature. I can click on their auto signature and dial them back. Big things that really have come on as an advent of the last couple of years have been presence and mobility. Those are really sort of the two big things. Presence, who I am, where I am, what the best way to reach me is. And mobility being the ability for you to call me and reach me anytime, anywhere with a single number. And now with today's different technology being brought into it on any device. I just saw a demonstration the other day that is tying in sort of the next wave of what's coming, which is video tied into voice. And I actually saw a presentation of an individual take a call on their cell phone. During the course of that call, they said to the individual, you know what, I think you have video, right? Yep, okay, hold on. They actually transfer that call from their iPhone to an app on their iPad, and when they did, it became a video conference call. They were using the camera, they had it set up on the little stand, and they were continuing with that call. And at one point they said, you know what, I want to present this call to the entire room here. And they actually transferred that call from their iPad to the video conferencing unit on the wall. The example that I would use is shifting gears in a car. I can take a call, and as I'm going through, I can decide that I want to shift it to the next gear, and I move it from voice to a voice and video, and then move it from there to a conference call. And that video technology is now being pushed down to even the lowest devices with video add-on to telephone sets, where I can add a small USB camera to my telephone set and actually see the video conversation I'm having with the individual on the screen on my phone.